So in this video we'll be showing our second module, that is the Biofloc tank. So here we are showing the node MCU code which helps us to send the obtained sensor data into our Fireblaze cloud system, and this is the code for Arduino in the Biofloc tank to get the values of our sensors such as temperature, pH, turbidity. So now we'll show the serial monitor for the current results. So in the screen you can see the current temperature value, pH value and turbidity value. So these are our connections which we have made. Node MCU ESP8266, and this is the module for pH sensor. So this is our considered Biofloc tank. So we have pH sensor, temperature sensor and turbidity sensors. So currently when the code is running, these values are obtained and directly passed into our Fireblaze cloud system for active monitoring, real-time monitoring. So here you can see the turbidity and all values are changing. So we have now here shown the whole module of our project, that is that river to tank, tank to biofloc and out. So these are shown by three different modules which has three different Arduinos and node MCUs all together powered and connected through breadboards. So we have pressure sensor, water depth level sensor and temperature sensor here, which are currently reading and uploading data in Firebase. So currently water level is 0, pressure sensor is readed as 95 lags 43, and temperature sensor is given as a room temperature since there is no water in there. So now the water is there in the tank which has been taken from the source using the air pressure sensor. Now when the connection is given, we'll fill the water from the tank to the biofloc using the water depth level sensor readings. So now when we give connection, the water from the tank will be directed to the biofloc using the depth level sensor readings. So currently water is flowing from tank to the biofloc system. So based on our constraints, when the depth level sensor reads a value that is given as the optimal height value, the water will stop. So then the biofloc system will be optimized with the water level. So as at the same time when the water is flowing from tank to biofloc, the water in the tank is reduced. So based on the air pressure readings from the source, the water will be placed to tank also. Now in the biofloc the water level is water transfer is stopped based on the depth level sensor readings. Now when we look into the Firebase data system database, we can see that the temperature level is 85 based on the water port, the pressure sensor readings as well as depth level. So now the water is flowing to biofloc system. So after a time the biofloc system will have its optimized water level, and the tank will also have its optimized water level from the water source. So after that the current readings of all data are shown in the database.